Currently out here in Houston, waiting to get loaded. I'm picking up 2 mini excavators going to Reserve, Louisiana. It's like a 5-hour ride from here, so I'm gonna just go head on back to the house once they load me up. And just shoot out in the morning about 5 o'clock. I can't deliver till 8 a.m. I think. And I'm only like 30 minutes from my house, so I'm gonna just go back to the house, leave out early in the morning. I got a reload coming out of Convent, I believe. It's like 30 minutes from my drop. And we're gonna head back this way. Picking up 2 of those. Up the last one. I thought I was gonna back up to the ramp. They loading it with the forklift. We all loaded up and chained down. I got 4 points of contact on each machine. Put my scrap through the little bucket thing, bucket holder. Everything tight, I'm good to go. I'm about to take a picture for the broke and head to the house. At the yard, just did me a little post trip, make sure everything good. I don't see no leaks or nothing. For all my trucking subscribers, how do I know when my air breather filters are bad? The filters that go in the breather. I know you're supposed to change it at least once a year. I changed it in June when I got this turbo and everything done to it. But yeah, I don't know how to know. Or I could just take them off, but I'm gonna have to move my mirrors and all that. So I don't know how to tell when it's dirty or not. This thing is supposed to give you a sign, but I'm not sure how that works. So any of my subscribers, man, comment down below, let me know. Yeah. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm about to go to the house, take a shower and stuff, and probably go get my son and bring him back to the yard, let him see these machines. I know he like this type of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the house. I might leave out about 2 in the morning and put it in the wind, my friend. Whee! Hey, what's up, YouTube? You ready to go see the excavator? Yeah? I'll pull up at the yard. Is that a truck? You know what he's doing already. When I was in high school, my uncle had a few of these with the big ones and the bulldozer and stuff. He had us driving. Gotta teach them while they're young, man. said he wanted to sit in the other one too. Quick stop for some diesel. Got all my chains off, we good to go. Taking the last one out, now I'll go head on to my reload. It's like 30 minutes from here. Alright, y'all, the big question is, should you take cheap loads or wait for that load that's over $4 a mile? In my opinion, for myself, when I first got my authority, I said I wasn't taking nothing under $4 a mile. I stuck with that for the first, couple months. I had my authority since like June, July. And for the past 2 months, the rate's just been going down and down and down. So, it's hard to just sit around and wait. Like most people that's just getting into the authority game or just getting the trucking period, they don't have the capital or $100,000 in their bank account to just sit around and wait for that big money load. So, in my opinion, I'm not saying just take cheap loads, but the broker's not going to change nothing just by me or the next person not taking $3 a mile load. Like the broker's nothing not going to change just from me or the next person just saying, oh, I'm not moving that, it's not over $4 a mile. The load's still going to get moved because theoretically people have bills. Truck bills alone is just over $3,000 just for the truck. Like insurance, my insurance $2,300. I know most people insurance like $2,000, close to $2,000. So theoretically, most people can't just sit at home and be like, well, I'm gonna wait the trucking change or wait till the brokers, up the pay on the loads. And so it's kind of hard to say just don't take the cheap freight, wait till you find a good load, and all the loads out there under $3 a mile. They got loads on the board right now like $150 a mile, and it's crazy. But people like myself in my position, I don't have $100,000 just sitting in my bank account to where I could just sit around and wait till I find a perfect load. So this load I just did with the 2 excavators was $350 something a mile, and they had like 3 loads I found that was over $4 a mile, but they was oversized and I wasn't comfortable with doing it. I already hate doing oversized just because of the simple fact that it's just more of a headache. You gotta worry about the cars not hitting the load, how far it poke out. You gotta make sure you don't hit nothing on the road. It's just more of a headache doing oversized, and if I don't feel comfortable doing it, I'm not gonna do it. So with that being said, I took this load for $356 a mile, I think. It was like $1,100 going to Reserve, Louisiana from Houston, which is, you know, it's not a good rate at all. But I'm not in the position to just sit down and say, oh well, I'm gonna wait till I find this perfect $4 load in this crazy market right now. So most people may not agree, some do, some don't, but it's a battle right now with trucking, period. So my theory for it all right now is to get what you can get, because I'm personally not taking nothing under $3 a mile, but I don't even want to take that. But the position I'm in, I don't have the capital to just say I'm gonna sit at home all day and hopefully a good load pick up or something. But truckers that's been in the game for 10 plus years to tell you, man, anything that's going a little distance, don't take nothing under $4 a mile. And yeah, that sounds cool, but in this market, you seeing stuff on the board for $150, you call them and they say, yeah, that's the rate for real. It's like you just gotta get what you can get. And the reload I picked up from where I dropped the excavators, it was 30 minutes from where I dropped. That load also paid $3 something a mile, like $360 something, I think. And it's going way to the west side of Texas, $2,800. You're gonna see that in the next video. But like I said, man, it's my opinion. I'm not gonna sit around and wait for that $4+ a mile load. If I feel like I have to go do something, I'm gonna do it. I'm not in a position to just sit and wait for a load to pop up.